Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect ChatGPT API to Telegram bot. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your ChatGPT API to Telegram bot, all you gotta do is simply first of all, obtain your API keys from both OpenAI and Telegram. Once you have gone to OpenAI, you need to get the API key from there and go to Telegram and get one from there as well. And then you need to use a third-party integration tool or write code like Python to build a bridge between them. Once you have done this, the integration involves creating a bot in Telegram via your bot father, getting an API token from it, and using your OpenAI API to connect them in a workflow that sends user messages to ChatGPT and returns the responses to Telegram. So this way you can connect your ChatGPT API to your Telegram bot. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.